CaseOh gets a briefcase from YouTube.
It is, dude!
No, don't open it up, Blaze. You gotta open it.
No way!
Turn it toward the camera.
Oh my. Dog. That's a damn diamond play button! You've had this? What? No shot! Are you kidding me?
Feel how heavy it is.
Bro! Literally just hit 10 million, got the diamond play button. Dog! W. Steven, bruh. This thing, yo, chat. Oh my goodness, I cannot describe to you. Wait, this is the coolest moment of my life. Wait a minute. This is the coolest moment of my life. I legitimately cannot describe to you how heavy this is.